Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm going to answer a question that many people ask us. How far can my Wi-Fi signal send a message to a device? Okay, now some people think that Wi-Fi will work over several kilometers. Okay, that's not the case. Wi-Fi was developed to use inside a building to provide a wireless connection to a network or the internet, and many people have a product like this, a home wireless router, and you know the range maybe goes a couple of rooms over, but a wall will block the signal, especially if it's a concrete wall. Okay, people use Wi-Fi outside with wireless access points like this. This wireless access point has an omnidirectional antenna, so it radiates all the way around the antenna. This can be put on the roof of a house, and so it can transmit to other devices. Now, the question people ask, how far can this transmit? Well, the answer is it can transmit a long way. It can transmit a few kilometers. However, the distance to a device depends on the device, not on this antenna. If we have a mobile phone like this, okay, that will communicate with this antenna over a distance less than 100 meters. Why? Not because the wireless access point is weak, because the phone doesn't have a good antenna. It doesn't have a good Wi-Fi chip, and so this cannot communicate over a long distance. A laptop computer like this can communicate over a longer distance because it has a better antenna in the lid of the unit and probably a better Wi-Fi chip. We can communicate over longer distances because if we install an antenna like this in our home, which is a directional antenna, this is a receiver, and it's called a client premise equipment. Now, if we put this on the roof of our house or on a tower, and then we put this on the roof of another house, that can communicate a kilometer. However, you need line of sight between the two antennas. If there's a building in the way or a tree in the way, it won't work. That will block the signal. Now, it's possible to go longer distances with point-to-point connections, but those require a very high gain antenna, such as a parabolic antenna. You may have seen these on tops of towers. It's like a dish-shaped antenna. Now that can communicate maybe several kilometers. However, it has to be mounted on a very tall tower because it needs clearance above the trees. A point-to-point link, for example, at 5.8 gigahertz, which is a normal frequency for point-to-point links, requires a clearance above the tops of the trees of 3.6 meters for every kilometer. So you add that up, 5 kilometers distance between the two antennas is 5 times 3.6 meters above the tops of the trees. All this information is published in our documents. We have a lot of information that we prepare and we send out to people. If you want more information about this, please contact us. We'll be very happy to help you. Okay? So thanks for watching and see you next time.